Yes, I'll continue this lecture. Last. Title 5. Sent to the elder 허주. Oh my god. 허주 덕진. 풀 버전 허주 덕전. Plain. We have reached this point that my pen came to sending a letter. Now my thoughts were confused. My thought, 경어스 thought. Who shares this boundary of enlightenment, of cognitive realms with me, that the snow goose is white and the crow black is the matter beyond one's heart and world. Oh my God. Beyond one's heart and world. Heart world. Although there are no sentient beings or body has, but there are mountains and waters. Mountains and water. Mountain water? I see. Black, white. 구스가 나왔죠. 스노우 구스, 크로우 블랙. 스노우 구스, 크로우 블랙. 스노우 구스, 크로우 블랙. 크로우 블랙이죠. Original text. One more time. We have reached this point that my pen came to sentence with sending letter. Now my thoughts were confused. Who shares this boundary of enlightenment, of cognitive realm with me, that the snow goose is white and the crow black is the matter beyond one's heart and world? Although there are no sentient beings or bodies, but there are mountains and waters. I see. Original text. 기허주장자. 기허주장자. 허주장자에게 붙여. 인필급 차심사라니요. 차계 경계 공수이로구나. 곡배고흑 심원외니 무생풀의 유산수로다. 붙으로 인연하여 여기에 머무니 마음 칼레가 어지럽구나. 이 낮 경계 대체 또 누구와 함께 할꼬? Who with me? 따오기 희고 원 까마귀 검은 것은 마음과 말밖에 이르로다. 부처와 중생은 없어도 산과 물은 있네 그려. Explanation 5. Afterward, the 경허 did not visit 마곡사 again, 4 times. But the following spring, 1881, he wrote this poem with his own hand to the captain, great monk Hoju, and sent it with the straw back from the hive as articles exchanged for evidence. Here is a messenger came to the Hoju who is staying at the Magoksa temple to convey. 해월 is the 경허스 뭐냐 경허스 disciple이죠. He confused that he has no teacher as an enlightened man, and that he cannot be greeted by anyone. It is a subtle hint that this will be a problem and main of law of Buddhism. And then in the third stanza, 경허 shows the original face, 본래 면목, original face of the character of the Buddha boundary that he had learned middle way with non-duality, with his experience of the enlightenment. Is called middle way with non-duality, which is also the key part of the Son as 경허선. That the white, the black crow are beyond the heart of world. This is big hint. White, black. Which is black? Which is white? Beyond the heart and the world. Heart, 말, world. 경허선 is showing you exactly that what it is. But here, that the white and the black. White, black. Which is black? Which is white? This is black. This is white. The white and the black boundaries come from the discerning the mind. Discern. In adult world, it is only happened from the your idea. In the rest false stanzas, great monk 경허선 master represents middle way, 중도, with non-duality, which is also key. Also a key part of the sun, a key part, core. It is called middle-way one duality or non-duality, which is also key that the part of the sun is 경허선. That's the white. 두 개가 있네. 하나 잘라. Admirable 경허, enlightened by the knowledge of the Lord himself. Middle way with non-duality. In the work of Chinese is the biography of King 세종's sixth 해양 선종's sixth 해능 scripture. The middle way, the non-duality, which is the foundation 남종선, south. Also, it is the key part of the sun as 경허선. 경허선 is 해능선. The same. A poem above can be seen that absolute non-duality. White, black, white, mountain, water, is the being completed throughtfully. That is 경허선 core idea. However, at this time, Hoju says that the young people these days are apt to be chastised for their unboast mystery. Go tell the Kyung-ho, Hoju doesn't deserve such a thing as that. Kyung-ho heard from the hearer that at this time, I thought, there was a lot of space to the old monk Hoju. You are sloppy, 멍텅구리. Kyung-ho exclaimed with a sign. Thus the traditional ritual of the Buddhist law, abiding accreditations of a sign of enlightenment, which was wanted by preceptor Kyung-ho grasped two pieces, but Kyung-ho desired eagerly. Some Buddhists maintain that is in his law, abiding accident accreditation as a sign of enlightenment. The recognition by one's teacher that the transmission that taken place was called a seal of permission or imprimatur 인가. 이게 인가. Chinese version, Korean version. Now, Kyung-ho Majesty finally made a big decision. In June 1881, he recited a long and sad song of enlightenment, 오도카, to the public at the 임법당 in 천장암. Who am I going to get? And monk's love 가사, cross, and 발우, from, no one's around. Who am I going to be handed down the monk's love and borrow from? In starting the song of the enlightenment, Kyung-ho successively called out this beginning with there is no one around. 사고무인. 엄청 빨리 나가네. 베스트. 베스트네. Title 6. The nature of innate. Without hesitation, looking at the east and west for a long time, fortunately coming today and open a twig gate knocked in the middle of ice. Seeing the scripture for many years is that it is old enough to cover my eyes. I blow a verse from far away in the sky of white clouds. The extreme of a poem surprised the eyes of man. Oh my God. 꿈을 펴볼까? 12 되나? One more time. The title, The Nature of a Night. Without hesitation, look at the east-west for a long time. Fortunately, coming today and open the twig gate, knocked the middle of the eye. Seeing the scripture of the many years is that it is old enough to cover my eyes. I blow the birds from away in the sky of white clouds. The extreme of the poem surprised the eyes of man. Oh my God. Like storm and thunder. Like storm and thunder. In front of the courtyard. Courtyard. The sun sent of fine trees permeate on my collar. Let's all behave this together. How to ride that we get on. The Mercy 바냐 용 드래곤 보트. 바냐 용선. 바냐가 Mercy. 바냐가 Mercy 바냐. 드래곤 용. 보트. 보트 선. 바냐 용선. Of the 버페. 버페 sea. 버페 부타스. 부타스 sea. It is a flower of the enlightenment. When digging the center of the 도량 temple. This flower of the enlightenment is abundant. Oh my God. This is 바냐 용선. Mercy dragon boat. 오리지널 텍스트 각화 깨달음의 성품 척척 동서양 안귀 휘어 행금 레고 목중비로다 황건단연리 안 놓여 백운 천리 일절비로구나. 거침없이 동서를 오랫동안 비춰보다가 다행히 오늘의 와 눈 가운데 살인문을 두드렸구나. 단연간 경전을 본 것은 내 눈을 가리는데 늙었고 오 마이 갓. 흰구름 천리에 한 구절을 날리니 풍래식의 경인목이여 정백 선양 스바이로다. 안득 자항 동법회니 각화 장래 채방비로구나. 시의 극치와 폭풍과 우레처럼 사람의 눈을 놀라게 하니 시의 극치가 밭들 앞에 잣나무 선양이 내 옷깃에 스며드네. 다 함께 법회 바냐 바다의 자비용선 어떻게 탈까? 도량의 향기를 캐보니 깨달음의 꽃이 무성하구나. 각화 Enlightenment flower. 오 마이 갓. 각화 도량의 향기를 캐보니 깨달음의 꽃이 무성하더라. Explanation 5. 5인가? 6 아닌가? 6지. Explanation 6. 오늘은 여기까지만 해야 되겠네. The great monk Kyung-ho was that the powerful monk who achieved his enlightenment by entering the Sun School gate from the beginning. When he was young, at the age of 9, he became a Sami, young monk? Sami monk, at the 청계사 temple in 시흥, 경기도. After he entered the 동학사 temple at the age of 14 in 1862. After completing the 강원 class, 강원 school, sun school class at the Buddhist temple during the 9 years. He was forced to give a lecture at the age of 23 in 1871. Monk Kyung-ho, who became a great Gangbek teacher in the next 8 years, was well known in the various parts of the country, all country, and at the time more than 1,000 scholars together at the Gangwon in Dongaksa temple. Then 8 years later, in June 1978 and 9, Kyung-ho visited an old teacher and encountered the body of the convict who came to the Korean peninsula from Gimje, Mangyong field. At the time, and entered the 사교 입선. 데절트 버리다. 교 부타스 teaching. 입 enter 선 부타스 mind. Country to achieve the great road as enlightenment. 사교 입선. This poem also states that after Kyung-ho's enlightenment, he first mastered and Confucianism, 유교, Buddhism, and sun in east and west, and then came to the right eye of the sun and achieved the enlightenment. After years of the hanging from the scriptures, Buddha's teaching, and covering the right eye, cover, he came into the right truth at once and found that the fine tree in the front of the garden was ripened and practiced. So how can Kyung-ho now lead the people to the world of this merciful Banya dragon boat, Banya Yongsan boat? He is thinking hard, given that the scent of the line is all over the place with 각화, 깨달음, enlightenment flower, 각화. enlightenment flower. In the line can be seen as 동학사 temple, which was led by 경허, 교, Buddha's teaching, and achieved the great road with sun, Buddha's mind, sun. I've been looking at the east and west for the long time without hesitation. It means that he became a great scholar and learned all of the scripture of the east-west. In fact, it can be seen that Kyungho is showing a great interest in the Confucian, 유교, 공자님, Analytic, 논어, Mencius, 맹자, University, 대학, 정령, 중용, as well as poetry, 시경, 그다음에 especially in the main 4 books and 5 classics, 사서, 오경, 5 classics. I've been looking. He was also proficient the Taoism, 도교. And one day 경허 said, 허니 중원은 누구죠? 하남 중원이 경허's disciple, the great monk. In the future, when I didn't want to be a slave, I read 장자 of the masterpiece. I've read it 1,000 times to get acquaintance with the scholars of the Confucian, to the extent that he expressed the feeling to Hanam. He shows deep affection and interest in the 장자, not to mention confusion, not to mention. Fortunately, you came today and knocked on the twig gate. I like twig gate. In the middle of your eyes, the twig gate in the middle of your eyes means the right insight into your eyes. He who opened these eyes to the right path of the truth, seeing the twig gate in the symbolic meaning of the inviolability that entered Buddhist law. In the book, I've seen the scriptures of the many years. I'm old enough to cover my ears and Hebrew studies, Confucianism and Taoism of many years through manhwa, 경허's teacher, lectures for 9 years after finished 강원, 선 school at the 동학사 temple. He blamed himself for the meaninglessness for teaching, a Buddhist teaching, and lamented that such wasted years had closed his eyes. In a bird is flying on a 천리 of white cloth. You can see that the Chinese characters are released in the contrast to the Chinese characters. For example, 1 and the 1,000 are in the middle way, 1 the same, 1,000. The middle way with non-duality, 1 the same, the 1,000. Meanwhile, in the expression of the highest poetry, amazing people eyes like the storms and thunder. Storm, thunder. He reveals his poetic sense as in a 경천동지. 경천동지, 하늘이 놀라고 땅이 움직이고, 경천동지. To the world. Sky amazing. Earth 움직임이 뭐냐? The pine tree is front of the yard. 움직이다, 이동. move. 응? Earth move. That he is Buddhist monk sitting the pine tree in front of the courtyard of a former unemployed. As the topic of the conversation of the Monk 경허 of the people is singing the cause of the pine tree in front of the yard, answered by Sun Monk Joju when he asked Joju Sun Monk, which means that 조사, great teacher, Dharma is from the west. Why the Dharma is from the west? Oh my God. Yes. 아이고, 힘들다. 그냥, that's all. I will wrap up today's lecture here. Next, there is the 이게 317. Next, the four great boss 사홍서원. Great boss 사홍서원. 중생을 다 번뇌를 다 끊어오리라. 법문을 다 Next, I will have an old patriotic song dedicated to great Master Kyungho and General 전봉준. patriotic. 해물과 백두산이 마르고 닳도록 하느님이 Next, we'll have 산회송 of parting. See you. 산회가 몸은 빌어 이 자리에서 헤어지지만 마음은 언제라도 떠나지 마세. 거룩하신 부처님을 항상 모시고 오늘 배운 높은 법문 깊이 새겨서 다음날 반갑게 마음 한 뜻으로 부처님의 성전에 다시만 나세. May you achievement enlightenment. See you again. 언제라도 또 들어갔어. 써줬어요.